this is Dean from Sciatica Relief Now, and I am with Izzy, who is in Sydney, Australia. It is Saturday morning there. It is late Friday afternoon here in Charleston, South Carolina, and I was just able to grab about 25, 30 minutes with her on a quick video call. She said, I know you might be on holiday, but if you have some time. So I made some time for her, and I'm actually jumping off of this call to jump on another call with another Australian here in the next couple minutes. But I wanted to give Izzy an opportunity to talk about what we did on this video call, how she's feeling now compared to how she was feeling beforehand. And I'm going to turn it over to Izzy, and first of all say thanks for trusting me, Izzy, and thanks for letting me use this video.
Hi, Dean. No worries. Thank you so much for your time and for speaking with me about this. I've seen so many good recommendations and comments about people who've been helped by you. So, and after today's little session with you, I can totally see why. The exercises that you've shown me have definitely shown improvement. I've been, in a lot of pain, but now it's so much better. Probably, almost 70% better, I'd say, just from these exercises. So,
awesome. And you've been dealing with this for 9.5 weeks, correct?
That's right. Yeah.
And have you had times of relief like this, or is this sort of unusual to have it good?
This is incredible. The exercises that my physiotherapist gave me would definitely not provide relief like these exercises have. It's noticeable straight away. I'm really amazed at what my bad leg can do now.
Perfect.
Compared to before. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Izzy, and you have a great rest of your weekend and a Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much, Dean, and Merry Christmas, and thanks again for your time.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.